How to curve text in Google Slide. So let's get started. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily curve text in Google Slide. So as most of you may have noticed that Google Slide still currently has no direct option to actually curve any text. As you can see, whenever you head over to your text edit button over here, you will not be getting any option regarding curving the text from over here directly. So in that case, what we want to do is we need to use a curved text generator from any website. So here we have a curved text generator, and you can basically choose any type of curved text generator. So I'll simply select this one over here, which is upward semicircle text, and you can just skip the ad as well. And from over here, what you need to do is you can see there is a text. So basically paste in your text, whichever text you want to curve, create a curve of, and once you copy that, you can simply paste it over here just like this. And you can also actually increase or decrease the size of it based on your choice. So once you are satisfied, you can simply fill that up. You can also use a different color. So I will want to select black completely, and you can also try to remove your shadows if you don't want, and you can always change your font because it has got loads of font for you to choose. So I'll simply select any random font from over here, and once you're satisfied with everything, you can simply tap on this download button from over here and just click on select PNG and just download it. So once you download it, what I want you to do is just come back to your presentation Google Slide and simply click on this insert button over here and click on image and upload for computer option, and just select the photo, that's the curved text that we have already downloaded. Simply open it just like this and simply paste it over here, and you can readjust it. And if you don't want the external pages or space over here, so you can simply right click on it on the particular photo and just click on this image crop image option and just simply crop in your image just like this, and you can always readjust it accordingly. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.